According to medical news today, heart disease is the number one cause of death in the United States.
It's snack time, boys and girls. Sing along with me. Let's go.
Yes.
It is snack time. It is snack time. Everyone, everyone. Jesus wants us to prosper. Jesus wants us to prosper. Be good health. It is snack time. It is snack time. Everyone, everyone.
Snack time.
Jesus wants us to prosper. Jesus wants us to prosper. Be good health. Today we are going to do a very heart healthy snack for you. So I have all my vegetables chopped, my onion, my sweet pepper, I have tomatoes, I have scallion, ginger, and garlic here. I have some cauliflower, some mixed vegetables, some eggs, olive oil. I have soy sauce, some shea, and sesame seeds. Who can guess what we're going to prepare today?
Rice. Rice.
We're going to prepare what?
Rice.
Fries.
Rice.
That's so awesome, boys and girls. You're onto something. Today we will be doing cauliflower fried rice. To begin this meal, I will blend my cauliflower. I will simply put them in the blender and give them a chop until they resemble breadcrumb. Boys and girls, I hope you're excited about this meal. So in the frying pan, I've added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and to that I will add 3 eggs that I will whisk, and I will scramble it and push it to the side.
I will add the scallion, the onions, peppers, the garlic, the tomato, and the scallion. I will leave just half of the sweet pepper, and I will stir this in.
While this is frying, I will share with you the Did You Know feature. Unfortunately, over 6 million people are living with heart disease around the world. I will then remove the cauliflower from the blender, and the unchopped one, I will just use my knife to chop them finely. Alright, boys and girls, we're going to check on the pot and everything is frying. So it's time for me to add the cauliflower. While I'm adding the cauliflower, I want you to remember that you can eat your asparagus, your berries, your flaxseed, oatmeal, nuts, spinach, vegetable, fish. All of those take good care of your heart. Next, I want to add a cup of mixed vegetables. And guys, this smells so good.
And I'm going to stir this in. And this is a vegetable fried rice. We're using no rice.
I am using all our vegetables to give our heart the love that it needs.
I'm going to add some garlic powder and a little bit of salt. Add some chia seed and some sesame seed. And about a tablespoon of chia seed and sesame seed. And I'm going to stir this in. I'm going to add, for color and flavor, just a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of pepper, of dried herbs. I will add to my cauliflower fried rice a drizzle of honey. Wow, this tastes real good. I'm just going to add a little bit more salt. A little bit more salt. Stir this in.
3 easy but simple ways to take care of your heart are:
get in your exercise, eat properly, and of course go to the doctor annually to do your heart checkup so that you'll know that your heart is functioning properly.
If you want to check out the original recipe, you may go to womansdays.com.
Give them one more view. It's a borrowed recipe, but it's a loaded meal that I think that you can prepare for your snack in your home. And when you're eating it, remember you are taking care of your heart. So finally, I'm going to add the rest of the bell pepper, stir that in.
Turn off the flame.
And there it is, our heart healthy cauliflower fried rice. So boys and girls, it is bye from snack time. And it was a pleasure having you for this week, where we look at foods that take care of our different systems in our body. I hope that at the end of this week, you will know how to eat properly so that you can take care of your entire body. Remember, your body is the temple of God. Where God lives, you must take care of it.
Boys and girls, there it is. I sprinkled it with some more chia and sesame seeds and presented for you. I sure hope you'll ask mom and dad to help you with the ingredients so you can try this snack for yourself. Like the video and subscribe to the channel before you go. Remember to type your answer in the comments section to the 3 questions.